The company sent me this cork fabric to try out, and it's really interesting. I've never used cork fabric in anything before, but it's real cork. It comes from a cork tree, and it is mounted on a fabric backing that gives it some stability. But because it's cork, it's not woven, it won't unravel, and you can use it for different crafts. I'm going to show you how I made this little barrette. It's a little bow, but it has a barrette attached to it. Took me about 15 minutes. Super simple. So let's go over to the sewing machine and I'll show you how to make this and answer some questions in the process. This comes on rolls and it's rolled up to prevent creases, I think, and it looks really nice. It's got some gold flecks in it that are embedded in the cork, and the fabric backing is very soft, but it gives it the stability that it needs to be able to fold it like that, and it's not going to crack. It's really a nice looking fabric. I guess it's fabric. I would call it like a vinyl weight. And I'm just using my regular sewing scissors here. I would suggest that you don't do that. Just use, because it's probably not good for the scissors, but just use, a pair of scissors that is not specifically for fabric, because it will dull them. But this stuff is tough. I was trying to tear it just out of curiosity to see how stiff it was. Is it going to rip? It doesn't rip. The fabric, if you really work at it, it is going to kind of peel off the edge a little bit. But I was really putting some force onto it, so it's pretty strong, even though it is soft. And I decided to make this little bow just as a test. I'm just cutting this, and this is a double thickness. I folded the strip in half, and I'm just cutting a bow shape. You can use a pattern for this, but I'm just winging it. And if you want to do this to make a bow tie, you could do that. I'm trying to get rid of the bulk because I wasn't sure how this was going to sew. And it is very soft and flexible, but like I said, it's kind of like a vinyl weight. So I took it to the sewing machine. I did not change the needle. I'm just using a regular needle, regular presser foot, straight stitch, and it's 3 thicknesses of the cork because I folded it over to get that center piece in one section. It worked great. It sewed right through it. This was not difficult to sew at all. So I took that little strip that I cut off the top that I was trying to rip, and I cut it to make the center of the bow. This is stitched now. It's not going anywhere. I mean, this is really easy to sew through. It's soft and it's flexible. And I decided that I'm going to do this by hand because I couldn't put it on the machine and not have the stitches show. So I just got a hand sewing needle, and it was really easy to sew through even by hand. If you don't have a machine, you could still do this. Just sew the whole thing by hand. And I just did a real quick whip stitch. This is not pretty. It didn't need to be. It's all going to be hidden. Then I took a barrette, and make sure that you open the barrette up so that you leave that section that goes in your hair separate. You don't want to catch that in the thread that you're going to be sewing, but we're going to sew the barrette on. You could use hot glue. I just personally never trust hot glue to stick, so I always sew everything like this just to make sure it's going to stay. So you're going to sew one side of the barrette on. Make sure that you keep the thread away from that centerpiece because that needs to be open so that you can put your hair in and then close it. And do both sides. Once you're done with the one side, flip it over, stitch the next side on. And then when you get to the end, you're just going to tie a knot. But I mean, this was really easy to sew through even with a hand needle. It was not thick. I didn't have to force it. I didn't need to use a thimble. There was no, this was super simple. So when you're done, just tie a knot on the end by putting the needle through the fabric or through the thread, and, just double it up a regular knot, tie it off, and then you're going to be done. This took about 15 minutes. It's a cute little barrette, and this is the kind of thing that's unusual. It's going to get you some compliments. It's going to get some attention because it's cork. It's not fabric. It's very interesting. If you've never worked with cork fabric before, this is actually pretty fun. And I know that people use this to make earrings, bookmarks. I'm going to make a book cover with it. There's all kinds of things that I'm thinking of. And I might post some more videos if I think of other projects to show you. But this is a really nice alternative to vinyl. It's got a cool look to it. It's soft. It's really neat. So give it a try if you've never used this, because I can think of a lot of projects that I'm going to make with it. And I will talk to you later.